Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I have a full informative review with my legitimately honest thoughts on Kylie skin. So let's get into it. The entire line is only what I've been using for the last 6 weeks. I have not used any other masks, overnight treatments, nothing, because I really wanted to see how well these products work. There's a face wash, face scrub, toner, face lotion, serum, and eye cream. First things first is the foaming face wash. It is nice packaging, except I gotta say right off the bat, okay, I love how simplistic it is. I love this muted baby pink. However, the baby pink reminds me so much of Saturday Skin. Saturday Skin is a Korean, I believe, beauty brand, and they're sold at Sephora. I just gotta put that out there. It was eerily similar to Saturday Skin for me personally. However, foaming face wash, you have a pump. What's supposed to set this foaming face wash apart from other foaming face washes is that it's not going to strip your skin. The key ingredients in here are glycerin and kiwi seed oil. Kiwi seed oil is actually in pretty much every single item. Vitamin C and E is kind of what her kiwi seed oil concept is based off of. So antioxidants, brightening, all of that. And then you have mild, gentle cleansing ingredients that she says are derived from coconut, and it is lightly fragranced. So glycerin is the key humectant or hydrator. And I'm reading all the ingredients. I took screenshots of everything on my phone in all the items. A common theme is that the key ingredients that she calls out as the superstars of each product are at the lower end of the ingredients list. So if you're unfamiliar with ingredients lists, if you look at any product, it goes from what the product is mainly made out of to what the product is least made out of. And so the key ingredients being at the bottom of the list is not amazing. The foaming face wash, I noticed that my skin did in fact not feel stripped. It felt soft and hydrated, but I feel like this actually is not removing dirt and grime and makeup from my face. As far as I'm concerned, if your toner says that it's going to help to remove dirt, oil, and makeup, it should do that, and this just didn't really do that. So next up is the Walnut Scrub, and I'm gonna just tell you guys right now, this was my favorite product of the entire line. If I were to repurchase one thing from her line, it would be this as of right now. Packaging is plastic, squeeze bottle, heavy cap. I like that all the packaging has a nice weight to it. It doesn't make it feel cheap. And the Walnut Scrub is not like St. Ives. It's not big chunks of walnut that you're actually not supposed to use on your face. It is super finely milled, and the granules are itty bitty granules. What's nice too is that it has some chemical, like naturally derived chemical exfoliants, specifically through citrus fruit, and then it also has the physical granules, so it's going to manually and chemically exfoliate the skin. My skin afterwards does feel really soft. It doesn't feel overly stripped. It doesn't look or feel agitated, red. So the key ingredients in this are squalene, glycerin, ginseng extract, blend of fruit extracts, and fine walnut powder to help gently exfoliate, and then sodium hyaluronate, which is a derivative of hyaluronic acid that helps hydrate and plump the skin, fragrance free. So as far as those ingredients though, again, most of them besides the walnut shell powder are listed in the bottom half of the ingredients, and the last ingredient is the sodium hyaluronate. But again, this is probably my favorite product of the entire line. So next up is the Vanilla Milk Toner. It is meant to soothe, tone, and restore natural hydration. It helps to unclog, purify, and minimize the appearance of pores, and it's formulated with a lot of things except for alcohol to help also remove any excess dirt and keep your skin feeling and looking healthy and not, again, overly stripped. So the key ingredients in this are apple fruit extract, squalene, avocado oil, and apricot kernel oil, and sodium hyaluronate, jojoba seed oil. So in this one, squalene, apricot kernel oil, and apple fruit extract are in the top half. Everything else that they call out is in the bottom half. I don't think it does a lot for my skin. Yes, it does a good job of removing any excess dirt that the face wash may have left behind. But besides that, I don't notice that my skin feels very hydrated, looks super glowy, and this is me comparing it to a lot of other toners. Everything is me comparing it to a lot of other skincare, because if you guys know me or you've seen my videos, you know that product is my specification. Like, I test everything. I didn't notice in the last 6 weeks that my pores looked more minimized. In fact, I feel like I can see my pores more. Meh. So this is the vitamin C serum, and I ran out of this like a week ago. It has a pump here, and it is a glass bottle, which I like. So the key ingredients or key features are vitamin C, which help brighten and improve the appearance of dull skin, and then Camellia oleifera leaf, which is an antioxidant and also anti-inflammatory. So the camellia leaf extract, the last ingredient on the ingredient list. And then even vitamin C, it's literally in the second to last line. That being said, I didn't really notice anything with this serum, I'm not gonna lie. I did not notice that my skin looked brighter, and it was just kind of something I was putting on my face. And serums are targeted treatments, and this was meant to be an antioxidant booster and also a brightening agent and anti-inflammatory, which technically, if it's anti-inflammatory, should help significantly with redness. I have been using it as much as possible by doing that, and I do appreciate that it is an untwist bottle, so I can try to get as much as possible out of it, but nothing. No difference. Nada. Next up is the face moisturizer. So this one is a squeeze tube with a pump. You cannot untwist the top, so you really have to squeeze everything out. The key feature ingredients in this are shea butter, sodium hyaluronate, banana leaf extract, oat bran extract, and orange peel extract. Those three are focused to help soften and leave the skin feeling smooth. And then glycerin again, and it is fragrance free. Kylie in her video about this talks about how she loves really thick emollient moisturizers, and I was like, that is totally up my alley. And when you squeeze it out, it really does look like it's going to be like a heavy duty moisturizer. Initially, your skin does look dewy, it looks glowy. Literally in a minute, it all soaks in, and it doesn't give me the moisture. I use 3 pumps of this on my face, and I still half an hour later find my skin just not carrying the same dewiness. In fact, I put on 3 pumps of this 2 hours ago, and I have not powdered, blotted, wiped my skin, nothing. And usually by now, my skin, especially my T-zone, would be a lot dewier, but more sebum would be on my skin, and my skin would look really hydrated. And I don't feel this does that for me, which is frustrating. The second thing that bugs the living daylights out of me is this packaging. This is another one that's like done. As air gets into this and as it starts to empty out, you have to literally push the product down, which is fine, but it started to happen to me when the product was like half done. And then when you are trying to pump it, nothing comes out. It's just air spitting out. So how I have had to pump it is I'll press this down and squeeze out the excess air and get all the way to the bottom. And see, even now, like I know there's product in there, I can see it. There we go. It just is not a moisturizer I plan on incorporating or using again. The last item is the eye cream, and this one is a snap cap with a slanted applicator. Now, right off the bat, this packaging is so similar to the First Aid Beauty eye cream. And actually, Tatcha has an eye cream that is also very, very similar in packaging to this. This eye cream is tinted yellow to help brighten the under eye area, and the First Aid Beauty one is tinted a light peach to do the exact same thing. So the key feature ingredients in this one are caffeine, green tea extract, pomegranate extract. That is supposed to help soften the appearance of wrinkles, smooth skin, and help reduce puffiness. There's also vitamin E antioxidant, vitamin C antioxidant that's going to help with dark circles, shea butter for moisturization, jojoba seed oil to help condition the skin, and it is fragrance free. I did not like this eye cream. I felt like the yellow tint is a cool concept and it does add a little bit of brightness, but this eye cream just didn't hydrate my under eye area. Anytime I would put makeup over it, I felt like the makeup was clinging onto all these dry looking patches. And with this eye cream, I had terrible dry skin right here on the inner corner. I actually today am not wearing any makeup because I wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like right now. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so this is very close and personal what my skin looks like currently, and it is a little more obvious in person than it is on camera, but let me break it down. Things that weren't there 6 weeks ago. Pores here, and you can kind of see them too, they did not appear as large as they do now, and you can see it on my nose too, coming down the side here, and this whole area just looks so red and blotchy, and even my chin, just like a lot of little dots. Another thing that I had an issue with constantly in the last 6 weeks was tiny little breakouts, like they were whiteheads pretty much, and they were all along my chin, and then even the sides of my nose, you can see a lot more redness than usual. And just overall, I feel like my skin looks so matte and it feels the same way. You can just see it, just texture here on my forehead. There's a little bit too, but this is why I'm here. My job is to do this to my face so that I can give you guys feedback. Sometimes I would feel a slight burning sensation, especially with the eye cream or once I'd put on the face moisturizers, but nothing terrible or super over the top as far as reactions. Different skincare works for different people. So if you try Kylie Skin and you absolutely love everything, that is totally fine. I think that there are better products from tons of different brands at a variety of price ranges that will give you the same results that these products boast, except actually give them to you. Everything is like vegan, dermatologist tested, and I know she has access to amazing estheticians, dermatologists, plastic surgeons, so she has the potential to really create crazy cool products. So I hope she works in that direction, but yeah, Kylie Skin kind of just for me. So that's a wrap on my Kylie Skin review. Leave a comment down below for me and let me know what you thought about the video, and if you've tried any Kylie Skin and have any opinion on it, please leave your opinion also down below because I would love to know what other people thought. But until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye!